Hi everyone, welcome to Screaming Kids Singapore. Okay, today I'm going to share with you a DIY video to help you solve the problem if you have this kind of roller blind that actually makes a lot of noise when you switch on the fan. Okay, if you realize every 1 or 2 seconds you actually knock onto the wall, creating this noise and makes it difficult for you to sleep or take a nap. Okay, so if you take a closer look at it, okay, it's actually made of plastic material, and when the wind blows or when your fan is turned on, okay, the roller blind will actually swing and knock against the wall. Okay, so I have been trying to think of ways to prevent this from happening, and uh, there are other products that they are selling outside, and some of them may cost about $8 or $10 just to prevent this from happening. They sell a clip type, a plastic clip that they will clip it here, and it actually has this spring effect when it touches the wall, but I'm not sure whether it fits this dimension, okay, because the dimension has to be very accurate. So what I have come up with, I actually use this kind of sponge. Okay, this is a dishwashing sponge. It's a very common sponge that you can find outside. Okay, I got them for 5 pieces and it costs only 120 for 5 pieces. So I'm left with 4 here. Okay, because I have already cut out uh one piece to try. So I actually cut it into half. I cut it into half. I cut it into half, and then I cut it into smaller pieces. So basically, one piece of sponge can cut into 6 of such square pieces. Okay, so I already cut out this, so I'm gonna cut another one. Then I'm gonna show you how you can use this sponge to actually stop all this knocking noise. Okay, so once you have 2 pieces like this, okay, you can start to cut a hole through the center. Okay, be careful not to poke through your own hand, so you just expand it a little, and maybe you cut it from the other direction as well. Okay, just to loosen it, try to create a hole big enough in the middle, then you try and expand it a little. So what I will do, I will actually try to slot it. Okay, I'll try to slot it through the side. Okay, there is not a lot of space, you realize. Okay, it's just very shallow, so I just need to get this in and hang it there so that there's a cushioning effect when this thing actually hits the wall. Okay, so you can adjust it further to your liking, but I think I like this part to be flat with the wall. Okay, if you like to turn it around, then you may adjust it around, so you realize now the other side is still knocking and creating the noise. Okay, so I'm going to settle the other side as well. Okay, so that's the noise that you hear, the knocking sound. So let's go towards the other one. Okay. Okay, so for this, similarly, I'll poke through the center. Okay, be careful with the scissors. Okay, then you use the scissors to expand it a little bit. Okay, turn it around. Okay, then you try and expand using your fingers. Tear it a little bit so that it's easier for you to fit it in. So slot it into the roller blind. Okay, I think it should be done. Okay, now let's observe. As you can see, no more noise could be heard. So I think it should be successful. Let me try to turn on the fan. Turn it to a higher speed and see whether okay, as you can see, it is now knocking against the wall, but you can't really hear anything. Okay, my fan is already at a maximum speed now. I can't really hear anything. Okay, so it's a very good cushioning impact. Let me look at the other side. Okay, I have done this earlier. You realize this part of the wall is damaged due to the knocking, and it is actually moving around, but you can't hear any noise from the roller blind. Okay, it's actually knocking against the wall, but there's absolutely no noise at all. Okay, so this is what I want to share today. Hope this DIY video is useful to you. Remember to click like and subscribe to Screaming Kids Singapore. Thank you for watching. See you again next time. Bye.